Hello, my friend, and welcome to another segment of Rouser World. So today, what we're going to be doing is doing a little bit of practicing on some nose shapes. So I'm referring to my booklet here. This book right here is actually called Face Off. It is by Harry Hermanick. If you are interested in practicing from this particular book, it's a pretty good book. I use it in a lot of my videos because of the simplicity of the way that he draws his shapes and features. So that's something to be appreciated. Thank you, Mr. Hermanick, for producing such a really good book. Okay, so what I basically do here is I like to learn through doing method. It's not. I don't like to do a whole lot of draw this and draw that and breaking down the scientific measurements of why everything is the way it is. I'm going to tell you the easiest way to learn how to draw noses. You just draw a lot of them on a piece of paper. Okay, so here you see we have 8 different shapes. Right now I'm on shape number 2. What you want to, how I do the noses is like this. In front of my desk and my computer, whenever I'm drawing, I have different charts. Okay, so I have a nose chart, I got an eye chart, I got a mouth chart, I got a pie chart. I'm messing with you, but I have different things around me that motivate me when I'm drawing. So let's just say I'm drawing a caricature of somebody. I might look over here and say, that nose right there looks pretty similar to the nose that I'm trying to draw. I think I'm going to use that nose. And that's as simple as I do it. And then as I draw that nose a couple of times, it just sticks in my memory bank. And then when I see somebody with that type of nose, I pull it up out of my memory bank and then I put it on the paper in the according way. Okay, so it's just pretty simple. When I'm drawing the forward position of the face, this is something that I feel is noteworthy for this particular video. When I'm drawing a forward facing caricature, okay, as a trick to make the face pop out a little bit more, I may stick a little bit of the 3/4 angle in there. So, for instance, that's why I'm getting you to practice these particular shapes, okay? Because seeing something from the side will give you more information about how to draw it from the front. You understand? So we can see here what type of nose this is. Here where we're drawing like somebody with a very circular nose. So just kind of pay attention to how I do it and just copy my steps. Just remember to go slow and take it in. And then tomorrow, guess what? I'm going to tell you how you get real good tomorrow. So do this video today, get you a little piece of paper, put it on the side, put your little music on your head, right? Or you can just listen to this video, it doesn't matter. I got some pretty cool music going on, right? And then I want you to draw all 8 of these noses, okay? And then if you got time later on in the day, play the video back again and draw all 8 of those noses again. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna do. You're gonna draw all 8 of those noses again, okay? And this is how we start to develop that thing of being able to draw from your mind, A lot of artists will tell me, I can't draw from my head. I can't just make something up out of my head. And I'll tell them because you probably haven't taken the time to put something in your head yet. Okay, not to be taken as an insult because I never speak that way. But the fact of the matter is what you put in is what you get out. A computer can only give you an answer based off of information that it is given, and then the proper response is put out. So just think about it like that when you're drawing the noses. One other analogy I think we can use here for you guys that are gamers. In your game, usually like if you play, I like to play Modern Warfare. I like sports games like Madden and stuff like that. Speaking of which, I got beat very badly last night. It was horrible. Anyway, I need to play skills trainer some more. I want you to think of this, drawing faces like this, like you're creating an emoji of someone. So in the game, it'll give you like different note options. Let's say if you're playing Madden, they'll give you a different helmet, a different color for the helmet, and then you'll go down and you'll make your guy up. On Modern Warfare, they'll give you, or certain games I've seen where they give you, where you could make up a face, you can pick a nose, you can pick a set of eyes, you can pick a, shape of the head, all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of how you do this particular exercise. So guys, we're on our last nose here. I hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial on how to draw noses. I hope that you were able to kind of understand just by drawing them. Remember, practice, 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 and practice some more, and that's how you'll get good at drawing these noses. Okay. All right, guys. So you have a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. It's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.